What's up guys, it's One Blazing Eagle One here today. You're watching the Walking on Screws challenge. Pain is definitely going to be guaranteed in this one. For those who are unfamiliar with this challenge, basically what I'm going to do is load up these screws, put them in my socks and run all the way down there and back. This is what happened last time when I put plugs in my socks. Oh, fuck that. Oh. This is One Blazing Eagle One. This is the screw challenge. As you see, I've got my screws in my hand. Basically what I'm going to do is put them in my socks, right down to the end, put my foot in them. Ah, yeah. That's gonna hurt like hell. Right, I'm just gonna undo my second shoe and take the end off. Take the socks off. Let's take that. Let's grab a handful. Actually, oh, a bit more. As you can see. Right down to the end. Bit more. Yeah, we want a bit more. Yeah, it's not Blazing Eagle if you don't have some more. Straight in. Yeah! Oh! So now we're ready. Just put the mask on. You know it's Halloween, you got to dress up for this. And it's pissing down with rain. Let's go. Whew. Wow. I'm in One Blazing Eagle One. We upload Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. But another crazy video. Hello. Sorry, just filming a video. So, we upload Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. Comment, rate, subscribe and do all that jazz. And hopefully I'm going to get back before it rains too much and it's going to be a crazy video. So I'm lost for words, I don't know what she's thinking. I hope she doesn't call the police. So I don't know.